Hi, I am going to share a little trick that I learned in regards to adding photos to something in Canva. So I'm on the Canva page, create design, choose a poster, and you can see whenever you upload files, this is where you can do the manual way, upload an image, and that usually requires you to download an image, obviously, to your computer, your device, and then upload it. Well, the thing that I discovered the other day that I did not realize that worked was you don't have to download it to have it uploaded, more or less. So, what you can do is I'm an adjunct at Marshall University. So, if I was wanting to create something for Marshall, um, providing all copyright, yada yada, all that stuff's taken care of. So I can just say I wanted to embed that in a poster that I'm making. I can right click on it, copy image, go to my design and hit Control V, and it's there. And also, it's actually in my repository of photos as well. So there's no need to download an image to only upload it again, which just saves you so much time and headache in regards to managing your downloads when you only need them on a temporary basis. So this is a cool little trick that I did not realize that you could do until I discovered it by accident the other day. So saves time, saves headache, and it's very easy. That's all I wanted to share.